Hindi naman. Majority lang.
80%.
Okay. So, what's your favorite memory? Isa-isa natin. Kining, yung inapakan ka sa mukha?
Yes,
Okay.
yun siguro. And the rest of the, maybe on the choreography side as well, working with Ate Kim personally with her. And I've known her for a long time na, for a year maybe in Showtime, but now mas naging close siguro kami. And also seeing everyone here who are actresses and actors, kasi first time ko talaga, so hello, parang ganun ako. Ano bang gagawin dito? So, for the ano lang ako, observe. Tapos, I try to mirror what they do or like, I learn from them. And I ask questions as well, but mostly it's working with them closely. So, yeah. Wow, English.
Yeah, bring that with
So,
you, diba,
yeah.
for your next project.
Yes, sana
Yeah.
nga. Yes. Hello.
PJ, ikaw naman. Favorite memory?
Ano memory? Ano ba? Marami the bonding itself. Kasi parang minsan nga pag-isip ko, excited na ako, magka-taping na kami.
Yung entire experience has been very memorable. Maybe my favorite taping day or taping days, my favorite moments would be when we filmed sa Temple of Leia. I feel like I really love that location and the scene and the part of the story as well. Just filming everything there.
Yeah. Thanks, Angelina. Robbie, favorite memory?
Siguro dalawa yung favorite memories ko, or two memories or experiences na I know I will never forget. Yung isa siguro, I'm sure naalala niyo ng lahat kung andun kayo nung lockdown na yun. Pero lumindol habang nagtitaping kami.
Yes.
Yeah, so it was a little scary. But it was cool that we were all together, I guess. And thankfully lahat kami we were safe.
Right.
No one in the cast or support team. Wala naman sa amin nasaktan.
Right.
And then, I guess the second thing would be, as binanggit nga ni Angelina, it's our first experience.
Core memory to eh,
But,
di ba?
I guess what I will never forget and take home is how there's a true and major passion for storytelling. Not just Dreamscapes or Star Magic has, but each and every member of Prod, cameramen, APs, assistant directors, to the cast. I think that that congregation of people coming together for one goal, I saw a lot of beauty in it. And I'll never forget that for sure.
That's a good memory, di ba? Tao, ikaw naman. Your favorite memory filming The Alibi?
In connected to sinabi ni Rob, kasi yeah, it was a very unfortunate event in Lumindol, but nagkaroon kasi kami ng town hall meeting after that. So, nung nagsama-sama kami sa isang lugar, we were able to catch up. Kasi parang bihira kami nagkakasama lahat.
Totoo?
Yeah, kasi may Unit 1, Unit 2.
Okay, yes.
So, usually kasama ko si Pao kasi nandun kami sa corporate, nandun kami sa mundo ni Pao, at iba yung mundo ni Kim. So, nung nagkaroon kami ng time na mag-catch up kung ano nangyayari sa lock-in namin, so I think that was really something. It got us closer because all the directors were there, then everyone actually, lahat ng production staff. So, I think that's one memory that that happened nung lock-in namin sa Cebu. That was very special. And yeah, I hope working with Kim Pao, it's really nice. It's really nice, and I can't wait. I know I'll be working with them again. So yeah.
We're finally throwing lines to each other sa isang teleserye.
I'm so touched, bro. Thank you.
So, yeah, but this is not about you, bro. It's about the next point. Aside from that.
Sorry. But thank you lang.
Yeah,
Thank you
so
lang.
super awesome experience. And yung pinaka-main memorable talaga, aside yung kasam, is yung countless times na binabatukan ako ni John Arcilla sa mga eksena.
Oh.
Hindi siya masyado pinalabas sa Prime, pero
Dito.
sa Free TV, I'm sure makikita nyo yung chemistry ng mag-ama na yan na nakakabaliw.
Okay.
Seriously, as an actor kasi I love my dad. I grew up very disciplined because of him. And then seeing sort of flashbacks sa kung paano ako pinalaki ng tatay ko was very, I would say memorable, but the real world is traumatizing.
We'll watch out for that. We'll watch out for that. Sophia, ikaw naman.
Ano naman, aside from, I always feel excited to go to work. Kasi ang babait ng mga kasama ko at mga artista na nakasama ko. Siguro yung pinaka-favorite ko is yung meron kaming eksena ni Kim sa Temple of Leia. Tinape yun ng 3 hours. And she has been super patient with me. Parang never pa ako naka-experience ever ng ganun ka down to earth na she really was there supporting me. Nahihiya ako sa kanya. Nahihiya ako sa kanya kasi parang nawala na ito experience ko. Parang it humbles you talaga. And then she's there to parang nahihiya ako sa kanya. Parang deserve ko ba itong role na to? Parang gano'n. But she was there.
Alam mo, from the cast members na, Shield, ba't umiiyak ka? Hindi ka naman cast. Okay.
Stella.
Okay, siya pala yun, oo. Hindi, nakakatuwa lang kasi parang Pao and Kim, naririnig namin mismo from the cast members how you support them and, you know, sa mga eksena ninyo. Thank you, Sophia, for sharing that. Sam, ikaw naman, your favorite part of filming. Hindi nahihirit si Paolo, don't worry. Okay.
Kukunin ko na yung microphone.
Actually, the whole experience has been really fun. If you want to look at eksena mismo, I enjoyed the difficulty sa death scene ko. It was. Okay. Ano gusto mong sabihin, bro? Ano? Sige, ano?
I think you did really great, bro. Yun lang.
It was a difficult scene, and it was a lot of different scenes with different characters, and but I enjoyed it at the same time, and the support of the other cast and just the ensemble of us working together. It was fun. But mas lalo kong na-appreciate yung mga kasama ko sa cast. It's not my first time working with Paolo. And I super enjoyed working with him. I appreciate Kim more, and a background story nung nagsushoot kami dun sa bahay niya. We were shooting in an area that's not as well off. But yung ginawa ni Kim, she's just giving out 1,000 pesos. She's giving so much money
Kanino?
sa mga tao na dun sa area. She was just giving out money to help the people in the area. And I just like, parang grabe yung puso ni Kim. I just appreciated her more. I want to let people know yun ang ginawa niya. I'm sure she doesn't want to share that, but nakita ko yung ginawa niya. She was giving out money to people na nangangailangan dun sa area. And I just like, was such a nice thing na nakita ko na ginawa ni Kim. I thought it was a really nice thing that she did. So mas lalo ko na-appreciate si Kim Chu because of nakita yung ginawa niya. And that's all. But in the whole cast, like it was a great experience with si Direk Jojo and yung mga ibang directors. It was just a great experience. And I felt so blessed to be part of this project. It was a lot of fun.
It's a great memory para kay Sam. Kim! Sahod na kami lahat. Hindi, sumasahod kami, hindi pa ikaw. Sumasahod lang kami ng ganun.
Hindi mo na kailangan.
Care to comment lang doon sa shinare? I know it's very personal, I know, yeah, but Sam already shared it. Why did you have to do it?
Ano lang, hindi kasi siya sobrang ganda. Pero tsaka nakakaabala kasi kami sa lugar, which is hindi naman lahat ay nabibigyan ng bayad doon sa lugar na yun. Pero very pleasant lahat ng mga tao doon. Support talaga sila. Yung hindi mo nahihingin na tumahimik sila. Hindi mo nahihingin yung supportan nila. Pero parang it feels like home kasi mga Bisaya po na dito. So murag ka nang it feels very close. Parang kapatid ko silang lahat. Uy, pasensya na kayo. Napupuyat sila, naaabala sila in their daily lives. Yet they support us and hindi sila nagagalit at naninigaw sa amin. So, in exchange, a little something.
It's a good heart. Kim has a good heart talaga. No?
Tsaka inutang ko kasi sa kanya, kaya alam niya, wala akong cash. May cash ka ba dyan? Kulang.
Totoo ah?
Oo, utang mo na kasi kulang.
Binayaran na ako, yes.
Pero binayaran ko siya.
Inutang naman pala.
Pautang ng konti, wala akong cash masyado.
Thanks, Kimmy, for sharing that. Pao, your favorite memory filming this? I know there's a lot. Top of mind.
Well, in top of mind yung earthquake, but more than that, I think yung mga tumatatak sa akin, yung mga reaction ng mga staff and crew, ang dami nangyari, parang nakita mo sila from being so fresh, hanggang nakikita mo yung pagod.
To fresh to?
Ang pagod. Tapos nakikita mo yung saya nila, minsan yung galit nila, yung inis nila sa akin. So, yun lang, yun yung parang ang kulay lang ng buhay pag lalo pag nag-shoot kayo. Ang kulay ng lahat ng nangyayari sa paligid at parang isa yun sa mga trine-treasure ko dahil yun, napakakulay lang talaga.
Okay, we're just getting started. We just finished the first part of our Q&A. Meron tayong ipapalabas. We have a surprise drop. So the cast, I want you to turn your attention here sa ating screen. We're gonna be playing